Uprooting, guys. Huge tree just uprooted over there. Holy cow. Hopefully I got that on video. That was crazy. It sounded like gunshots. This is it right here, guys. Look how fresh that is. Yeah, it's a piece jettisoning out. Look at that. I just snapped right off. Huh? It's partially rotten. Half of it rotten, shattered right off. Wow. That's why I made such a hell of a noise. This just fell an hour or two ago. Whew. Now it's its final resting place. April 8th, 2023. Fishing at Divinos. Please like, subscribe. I shouldn't be fishing. It's windy. It's miserable. But we're gonna do it anyways. This lake down here, it's about a mile-ish, mile and a quarter hike. Very windy usually. I'm gonna try to take a pack raft out there. Could be very dangerous actually. Let's see what happens. Nice cutthroat down there. Should be biting, but this is really iffy. I shouldn't be doing this, but gosh dang it, I got the itch to fish. I gotta try it. So let's go press our luck, see what we can do. Alright, we're getting some serious gusts of wind. The trees are shaking. Probably shouldn't be in the woods right now. Widowmaker's coming down. Nasty. You can see now what a difference a hillside makes. It's just a breeze right here. I think we're gonna try a different lake. I believe we will be shielded from the wind. This lake down here is like a wind tunnel. And I don't think we're gonna be able to hack that. The other place is a steeper hike right from the get-go. It's pretty nasty, but I think it's gonna be worth a shot because of the nature of the beast here. So let's head over there and see what we can do. All right, we're at the second trail. Looky there, a lot less wind. I am so out of shape from the winter. God, I gotta start working out in the winter. Whew. The trail gets real pretty up here. Oh yeah. Life's rough. Could probably drink this straight right now. It's cold enough, but always best to play it safe with water like this. Things are kind of pondy up here. Oh. Well, we've got to the flatten out part. We're 3/4 of a mile from the lake. You might be able to hear it. We got some wind, so hopefully that's not an issue when we get to the lake, but it's nice to be on flat ground again. I am so pooped. We made it. Holy cow. Well, it's a bit windy and a bit wet, but not anything like at the other lake, so this was, I think, a good move, a good call. So we have a conflux of winds here, which I think creates sort of a neutral pocket right in this area. So fish deep, fish shallow, try different stuff. There are big fish in here. I've seen them 16 to 18 inches in here with a lot of 10 to 12ers mixed in. So there's some nice fish in here. Hopefully we can land something decent. Right now I'm using a rooster tail. We have wind all around us and we have like a little break right here. So I'm gonna throw deep. I usually catch them pretty deep here. I usually let the spinner hit the bottom and then start from the bottom. For some reason they like that technique. So we've done about a half hour probably on the rooster tail. Nothing, not even a bite. What I'm gonna do now is just switch over to I don't know, about an 1/8 ounce-ish jig and just jig kind of under the boat and let the wind take me. As you can see, clear. Covering water is not going to be an issue. We are booking. Well, it's raining. There's drops of water on the lens. I'm switching over to a black woolly bugger jig as opposed to the bright. I'm going to see if a more natural color will work. Not holding my breath on this. I suspect the fish just aren't in a feeding pattern. Maybe if the sun was out and it was warmer, we'd have a shot, but it's pretty nasty out here. But well, I am freezing to death. I got out, see fish, very cold. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose when it comes to fishing. I'm glad I got out though, and even though I'm freezing to death and didn't catch anything, it's fun. It's nice to get out. Hopefully another couple weeks and we'll get some fishing weather. Fishing at Divinos, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.